How to disable Microsoft Edge on Windows 10 permanently. In this video I will show you very easy. No need to install or download app, or no need to uninstall. In this video I will show you complete and proper solution. So first of all, as you can see, I have Microsoft Edge, so I want to disable it. So first of all, I will go to search bar and I will type Microsoft Edge. You can type and right click on that and click on open location, and after that you will see here we have Microsoft Edge here shortcut. Now right click on that and click on properties. Now here you will need to see here all the details. Click on open file location. Now as you can see, this is our main exe main icon of the Microsoft Edge. So we need to disable it. Now you will see here there is a folder. There must be different number on your computer. So just right click and rename it and type anything Alt, and when you click, it will not change. If you try again, it will not change. So what you need to do, right click on your taskbar and click open task manager, and now you need to close any task running in the background from Microsoft Edge. As you can see, I have here. So I will end the task from Microsoft Edge. And then I will make sure that there is no task running from the name of Microsoft Edge. So if I try again, it will change. So if I open, you can see it is not working. So if you need to enable it, simply come here in the same folder and rename and just remove this name that you have added. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mova YouTube channel.